Thank you to everybody for their advice and word of encouragement. Thank the pastor and the first lady for their words. And uncle and aunties and grandma. Thank you. I know this is hard, but something that I wanted to do, not only for me, but for my family. I know how LA is. I'm not going to be that type of person who's going to be around gang people or all that kind of stuff. I have a goal to fulfill. And I told my dad ever since I was little that I wanted to go to the NFL, and I would keep my promise to him and to my family. So I'm going to push myself to do what's right, not only for school, but also in church. And I won't forget nobody over here, because you guys are all family. To my cousins and my sisters and my brother, I love you guys. Thank you for being there for me when I needed you guys. Keeping me strong and putting a smile on my face. And, when I get to the NFL, just give me a list of what you guys want.
No problem.
And, I'll get it for you guys. Yeah, my church too. Better Life will always be my church. And I hope I get enough money and just build us a bigger church. And get my uncle a pickup truck that he wants. Maybe me and Coco will put half and half in it. Yeah, to my dad and mom, I love you. And I'm doing this for the family. And I'm going to miss you guys a lot. I'll call you guys every day I'm down over there. I'll send money whenever I get money. School will be my financial aid check. But I just want to thank you guys for coming out. And to my girlfriend over there, honey, I love you. I'm gonna miss you. And yeah, just me and you, nobody else. And my little man, I love you. Be good in school. Listen to mom and dad. Push yourself in football. Be a quarterback, not a lineman. And
what's wrong with that, man?
To my sisters, I love you guys. Thank you for everything. And I won't forget none of you guys at all. call me and give me advice, because you know I need you guys' advice. And my cousins right here. You guys are not my cousins, you guys are my sisters and brothers too. And you know I love you guys.
Love you
And
too.
thank you for putting this on camera.
No problem. That's my nickname, Media.
You know, and to boy, man, push yourself, man. For real. I want you to go, not to JC, I want you to go far. Not like me. You know, I love you a lot. You know, even though I didn't go to none of your games. You know. But you know, I hope you do good next year. You know, I want do good in school and in class. You know, I was there when your mom and dad was yelling at you because you was doing bad in English. Yeah, I was there. You know, but boy, push yourself. You know, listen to your mom and dad. You know, go far. I know you want to go to USC because that's what you always talk about. I'm going to try to go there too and might see you there. But to my cousins, Leah and Anna. Anna, what are you majoring in college?
Accounting, business.
Accounting. Give me some money and...
Wow.
No, just kidding. But hope you do good in school, and Leah, keep working hard.
Thank you.
You know, and help mom and dad. To April, thank you for everything, teaching me how to, you know, a little bit on piano and in the worship team. You know, keep pushing the worship team. Hope you guys build and get stronger and get better. And Kathy, thank you for coming out. And yeah, Harry, Angie. You know your mom and dad is the first lady and pastor. Maybe you guys should be a pastor and Angie can be a first lady. Pastor. But thank you everybody for everything. Enjoy the night. And thank you.
Yeah.